It's yoga time. Oh, I think it's a perfect day for yoga, and I think it's a perfect day to do some animal poses. I wonder what one we're going to do today. Let me see if you can guess. They lay eggs and rest on leaves. Then they spread their gorgeous wings. They're so pretty when they fly. I can see. What do you think it is? That's right, it's a butterfly. This one's a pretty easy one to do. We're just going to start with our legs out nice and straight. So get your legs out straight for me. Then we're going to press our heels together. So bending our knees, pressing our heels together. And I'm going to hold on to my feet underneath my feet. I might even interlace my fingers like this. So can you do this with me? And then we're going to make a little basket for our feet. All right, we're going to take a deep breath in as we stretch up and out, and we're going to flap our beautiful butterfly wings. Flap, 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 flap. And don't forget, let's take another deep breath in. And flap your beautiful butterfly wings. Lovely. How fast can you go? Faster, faster, faster. And then what about how slow can you go? Beautiful. All right, let's do it one more time together. Don't forget to do your big belly breathing. Breathing in and out, flapping your beautiful butterfly wings.